Add staff in Microsoft Bookings 1. Welcome to M365 Professional. Microsoft Bookings allows you to add new staff members in just a few steps. From the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, select the app launcher and choose Bookings. Select the calendar you want to add a staff member to. Choose the staff page. Then add new staff. Type a name to search for a staff member or select them from the drop-down. Optionally, enter and edit details such as their team color, phone number, and access level. And verify if you want the staff member to be alerted when they receive new bookings. By default, the new staff member will be available during regular business hours. To select specific days and hours, turn off the toggle for used business hours and adjust the hours as needed. When you're done, select Save Changes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.